The Canada Revenue Agency's online services are essential for millions of Canadians. However, users increasingly encounter a frustrating obstacle known as CRA Error CER 018. CRA Error CER.018 is a security-related authentication error that prevents users from accessing the Canada Revenue Agency's online services. This type of error typically appears as a security warning in your browser, indicating that there's a problem with the secure connection to the CRA's servers. As of 2025, this error has become significantly more frequent. Reports show a 35% increase compared to 2024. This increase is directly related to enhanced security measures implemented by the CRA following recent cybersecurity incidents. But what exactly does this error indicate? CER.018 points to several possible authentication and security issues. The error typically indicates one of four main issues: authentication failure between your device and CRA servers, security certificate validation problems, session timeouts, or conflicts with your browser's cache and security protocols. Understanding the root causes of CER19 is crucial for effective troubleshooting. These causes fall into several categories. Certificate-related issues are among the most common causes. These include expired or corrupted security certificates, incorrect date and time settings on your device, and interference from firewall or antivirus software. Network firewalls, while essential for security, can sometimes interfere with the certificate validation process required by the CRA's enhanced security protocols. Browser-related issues form another major category. These include outdated browser versions, disabled JavaScript or cookies, incompatible browser extensions, and conflicts with cached security data. Browser extensions, while useful, can pose security risks and interfere with the CRA's authentication processes, leading to CER0118 errors. Finally, network security conflicts can trigger CER0118 errors. These include corporate firewall restrictions, VPN interference with certificate validation, and the security limitations of public Wi-Fi networks. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward resolving CER0118 errors. Browser privacy and security settings play a crucial role in maintaining secure connections to CRA services. CER.018 errors, while frustrating, are typically resolvable once you understand their underlying causes. The key is systematic troubleshooting based on these root cause categories. Now we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process to fix CRA Error CER.018. We'll start with the most common solutions that resolve 85% of cases, then move to advanced techniques. Step 1 is browser cleanup. This involves clearing your browser cache and cookies, which often contain corrupted data that triggers the CER18 error. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. These browser cleanup steps resolve most authentication issues. The incognito mode is particularly effective because it bypasses cached security data that might be causing conflicts. Step 2 involves system-level fixes. These address deeper issues with your computer's configuration that can interfere with CRA's security protocols. Verify your system date and time are accurate, as certificate validation depends on correct timestamps. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall software, as they can block CRA's security certificates. Network equipment restart is crucial because it clears any cached DNS entries or connection states that might be interfering with the secure connection to CRA servers. Step 3 covers advanced troubleshooting techniques. These are more technical solutions that address complex network and browser configuration issues. Flush your DNS cache to clear any corrupted domain name resolution data. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns. Alternative browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge may handle CRA's security protocols differently. Sometimes switching browsers immediately resolves the issue. Step 4 involves professional-level solutions for persistent cases. These require more technical expertise, but achieve a 95% success rate. Manual certificate installation involves downloading and installing CRA's security certificates directly. Registry cleaning on Windows or keychain management on Mac removes corrupted security entries. These professional solutions address the root cause of certificate validation failures. SSL and TLS protocol verification ensures your system supports the encryption standards required by CRA's enhanced security measures. Following these 4 steps systematically will resolve CER 18 errors in the vast majority of cases. Start with browser cleanup, progress through system fixes, try advanced troubleshooting, and escalate to professional solutions only if needed.